Hey guys, we are going to do a unboxing of this dustbuster from BLACK+DECKER. I've had it on in my cart for Amazon for a while, and when Prime deals hit, it went down some. It's actually not, it's pretty inexpensive. Anyway, it's not like hundreds of dollars. I think it's $49.99 or something like that. I don't know. But anyways, they dropped it down, so we went ahead and picked it up. So we have stairs, which we drag our big vacuum down, and just around the wood burn. Just will be very convenient for small things. If you had an RV or live in a van, yep. this little sucker hopefully this actually might be nice for the cars. Yeah, will be sort of cool. We'll find out. That's just my speculation, just from looking at it for 5 seconds. So I'll let the boss keep going. I just wanted to throw that out there. Sorry. Anyway, so it's cordless hand vacuum. This is the size of the box, so it's obviously not very big. It's supposed to be lightweight. I think there was like 90,000 reviews on it. It's very good. Says it has up to 3 times more suction power. The nice thing is you have a washable filter. You've got a couple different like brush heads, and then it just sits on a charging base. So I don't know, we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like, and hopefully it's got a little bit of a charge. I'll put some crackers on here and see how it goes. So here's the charging base. It just sits on. And then you've got your brush head. This comes out. And the unit. And instructions. So, without really reading directions, pops right on there. It looks like to unlock, okay, you'd have to push both of these and to unlock, and you can see it's got some, and then it pops on. So that has to go down in order to pop in place, so we'll do it again. And it sort of pops in place. So that's all there is to it. Oh, it's not even on. That's good. There we go. Take this little piece off. So there's a filter button here. So there's your filter. And like I said, this is washable, so it's like a little cloth filter that you can wash. It comes out of here. And clean that. And then you can dump, you know, empty your bin. Everything just sits back in there, clips back together. Simple. And it has power. All right, so let's make a mess. See what it does. Okay, so we're gonna crush just a couple of crackers on the counter here.
Darn kids, making a mess everywhere. What the mess. Make sure you take your brush part up. Don't use the brush on that. That's for like cleaning like computer stuff and TV.
All right, so we'll see what it does. I mean, that was pretty sweet. So it picked everything up.
That was pretty sweet. Go dump that in the bird stuff. Let's pick up a little bit of dog hair.
Yeah.
Oh, it's for an intermission. Ladies, you guys are dressed up. Why don't you do a flip right here behind the streams? My mom goes dumps that. Do a cartwheel. This is their intermission show.
Of course, I make a mess like emptying it, but okay.
That's right. We'll just vacuum it back up. Cartwheel, handstand. Come on, gymnast. Maybe somebody wants to sponsor you.
All right, so we'll go do our stairs. They need it.
Let me vacuum that up real quick since we're here. Sounds like it's dying, like it needs a charge.
It does.
Extends, you can get tight spots with it. Oops. I haven't made the video yet, but one little quick update on this little Black & Decker. It does great for what it is, but they were using it yesterday after I went to work, and it is, for what it is, I don't know what size mAh battery this thing has. I haven't got that far into it yet, but it definitely flies through the batteries. It charges quick, but using it yesterday, you know, and you would think because it's light and small, you know, I wouldn't suspect anything less, but Melissa said that it definitely goes quicker than, you know, it goes quick. So one of the cons on it is that it definitely eats the batteries up, but luckily you got a charger, so no big deal. You just charge it up and go on your way. So that's the synopsis of actually using it for real. And another thing is too, it's charging, and so when the light goes out is when you know that it's charged and ready to go. So I just, like I said, want to throw that in there. I haven't stitched the video together, and I just wanted to put a little update of it. I don't know if these things are part of that. I don't know. But yeah, other than that, sucks real good and does what you need to do. So I just gotta, you know, wanted to put that out there that it definitely eats up the batteries, which who cares because it's rechargeable. But if you're on an off-grid situation like in your RV running solar panels, it's a vampire. So you just gotta know that. But yeah, thanks guys.
Here, which gets, you know, hair all over the stairs, which then we drag the vacuum. Much more convenient.
You can definitely hear the battery getting weak, so because it has no charge. But it's still pulling it up, but this will be nice and convenient for what it is.
Oh, we're dead.
Battery died.
We're dead.
Fresh out of the box. So we got a little bit of play with it. So yeah.
So anyway, yeah. So it's on Amazon, Black & Decker. I think it'll work great.
16 volt and yeah, sweet. Cool. Thank you guys.